Alright, today is December 5th, 2024. We're at Emamuddin, Hoosain's house, claim number 077-165-1998. We're here to perform a repair test. As you can see, the shingle is in poor condition, granular loss. There's widespread wind damage across the roof on all slopes. We do have this one wind damaged shingle right here that we will be replacing. To check the pliability of the shingle, as you can see, everything is sealed down. There's no current creasing or anything on the shingles. So we will do this repair test and see what happens. Unseal these. Got those out. We take the nails out of the first run. Alright, first run of nails is out. See, the shingle still sealed in, so we'll have to unseal the second layer. We're being as gentle as we can. Nail right here is being a little tricky. Shingle has been removed. You can see there is a little bit of matting transfer on the back of the shingle right here. So there's our first point of failure as well. You can even notice, I mean, just taking the nails out have absolutely gouged out these nail holes. The shingle is just kind of falling apart. I would say it's definitely in poor condition. We have a new 3-tab shingle here. Second point you can see is all these shingles touch each other. Okay, we got about a quarter inch gap underneath there. So the shingle is about a quarter inch shorter than the current shingle on the roof. So we got matting transfer and the shingles a different size. Second point of failure, you can definitely see all the granulars right here too. We haven't even started nailing yet, and there's a bunch of granulars. Obviously a roof is supposed to shed granulars, but not at an expedited rate like that. So we will get to nail this in. Oh, see, try not to lift the shingle past 45 degrees, just like you like, but you also have to be able to swing the hammer. And if you hit a new shingle like that, it's not going to do anything. As you can clearly see, we do have a tear right in that shingle from the hammer. And we also happen to put these nails back in different holes than they were in because, oh, there we go again, trying not to lift it past 45 degrees. The shingles are just falling apart. See too, not one of these shingles has been lifted past 45 degrees. Trying to be as careful as we possibly can. All right, so the repair test has been completed. As you can see, we do have a crease form right here, crease form right here, a slight crease form right there. We do have the different spots where the shingle tore, trying to hammer the other nail back in there. And then we have mat transfer, so MT, mat transfer is one shingle there, CT, crease or tear. There's 1, 2, 3. So by replacing one shingle, we actually damaged 4 shingles. So this roof would not be a repairable roof in our opinion. This would be a failed repair test. I'll show you a little bit more close up. The creasing, the crease starts right here. Another one right here. See this one starting in the middle. You can see the edge. There's tore right there. The line's starting to crease there as well. Where it tore right here also. And again, you know, I know Allstate doesn't like the shingles lifted up past 45 degrees, so that's exactly what we were trying to do here. But it does make it more difficult to actually swing a hammer fully and be able to get that nail flush down with a roof deck like that. So multiple points of failure on this one right here. You can see the chalk is starting to smear a little bit as well from all the hammering, and then you can also notice all the granulars that are piled up next to the pit chopper right here. I mean, it's lost a bunch of granulars just replacing one shingle. Even more life has come off this roof. So again, in our opinion, this claim would warrant a full roof replacement.